I'm Brandon Green. I own the car audio shop here in St. Louis. We have 2 locations, one in High Ridge and one here in Westport. And we've been in business 12.5 years. Well, growing up, my stepdad was always in a band and church and music, and my mom and everything were always into that. And so I've always been around music, always loved music. And of course, growing up, kid in the Midwest, 16 in the 90s, I wanted to love cars, and so it all just kind of went together, and I went to the Installer Institute in '98, and then it's kind of been just gone from there. Just wanted to keep improving and learning and building a business as well. So it's always been a lot of challenges. We specialize in mainly car audio. Everything from basic to custom systems, do a lot of custom fabrication stuff here. We also do lighting, security systems, remote starts, all the other normal car audio stuff. We've done a lot of different car shows here in St. Louis, so we try to get out and kind of show off what we do, of course, but get out and meet people, talk to them face to face. That's really been very good for the business. Our bike scene for us personally hasn't been as big, but we're working more and more to get into that area. We started out with SounDigital and Ground Zero to do our bikes and things like that, and then obviously it's transitioned over into using it in cars and stuff. It's been a fabulous product for us, and just really fits certain niches where we don't have another product that will take care of our client the best, which is kind of our goal here. We've done a few subsystems, things like that. This one here, we have a set of Iridium 6.5 components up front and yellow basket 6x9s in the back, all in custom enclosures. And what we did with that, we ran those just off a Sony high power radio. Being the truck is big, high power turbo engine, the idea was to keep it as simple and as light as possible. HKI has helped a lot. Everything from the tech support side down to, as I mentioned before, some of the different products that allow us to do certain things that we can't do anywhere else, such as the Turi or some of the different speaker lines or whatever, really give us the flexibility to get the best bang for our buck and really take care of our clients correctly. My name is Brandon Green. I own the car audio shop here in St. Louis. We have 2 locations, one in High Ridge and one here in Westport. And you can find us online at thecarAudioshop.co.